Hey guys, it's Dmitry here again. So, I would like to talk in this tutorial about another interesting topic. So, of course, it's related to JavaScript. It's, I think officially they called it coercion, but idea is, and I will show you in VS Code. So, in some cases, if you, like in some edge cases, if you, um, you know, not careful, JavaScript, the result can be really, unpredictable. The Some of the, formulas or some of the, operations can give you a really unpredictable result, and I will show you what kind of cases or what kind of edge cases I'm talking about. But it is quite interesting topic, to discuss about. Cool, let's move on. So guys, I think I will comment this code for now. I'm kind of prepared this code for this tutorial too, but I'm going to keep it as it I'm going to leave it for now. So yeah, we'll start from defining variable. So this variable going to be, I will call it const result, and I will just assign 20 integer, and what I would like to do, I would like to sum with true. Dmitry, what are you doing, dude? Okay, you will see, guys, you will see. So console.log, let's log out result, and we'll see what will happen. And it's really interesting what will happen. 21. How on earth it's possible? Crazy. That's the thing about JavaScript, guys. Sometimes it's just what it doesn't make any sense for us, like for human beings, right? But that's how Java script works as a language. So anyway, true, it's a boolean thing, right? It's a boolean type. And in case of JavaScript, true is equal to 1, and essentially, like in general, true is kind of equal to 1, and false, we assume it's like 0. But literally here in JavaScript, when JavaScript can see this kind of formula, 20 plus true, like this, this boolean type, it's going to be kind of forced to be a 1, or it's going to be transformed to integer or to 1, like automatically. That's how it will happen in this case. So, and that's why, like, we will come up with 21. It's like 20 plus 1, 21. Sounds crazy, but that's how it is, guys. So, and what if we define just false, right, instead of 1? So the result going to be 20, right? Which is, again, as I already explained, false in this case is a null or 0, right? So essentially 20 plus 0, and again, for like this boolean is going to be forced, like, transform, it will be transformed forcefully to 0, right? And the result going to be 20. Simple as that, guys. And I also would like to show you, like, to prove my theory, I would like to console.log, and I would like to use this standard functionality, type of and result. So guys, what I'm doing here, type of is the standard function in JavaScript. It's essentially, it's giving you an idea what kind of type, the value, like what kind of type variable is, for instance, variable in this case, right? Variable result. So, and let's run it. You will see. So you can see the type is number, right? And what it says, so essentially result is number. And it doesn't matter that we we adding boolean, because boolean was coerced or forced to be a number. As a result, it's like the result is number. So essentially this variable, which is result one, the name with name result, the type of this variable is number, which is kind of makes sense, right? But at the beginning here it doesn't make any sense, right? Like we don't know what will happen, but that's what JavaScript is doing behind the scene. It's forcing it to become like zero in this case. So guys, I think it's enough for this tutorial. I'm going, because I would like to to chunk this, like the whole topic of coercion in two parts, because it's quite a big topic, to be honest, subtopic. So that's why it's better to stop this making this tutorial and just move on to another one. Thank you guys, and hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, please like this video if you like it and if you think that it's really helpful for you, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.